Are you tired of going through situations like this? Or that? We have the solution to your problem. The wireless jumper cables. With the wireless jumper cable, distance won't be a problem. You won't need to park next to each other anymore. Oh my god! It's simple. Take the red clamp and the black clamp, connect them and start. It's amazing. I didn't have to worry about the room available around my car to boost it. Thank you, wireless jumper cables. Believe it or not, you can use them all the way to 100 meters. Really? Yeah, 100 meters. Hey John, are you home? I'll need a boost with your wireless jumper cable. Can you give me a hand? Yeah, no problems. They're already hooked up. Go ahead. With my wireless jumper cables, I was able to get a boost from a friend that lives 2 blocks down from me. And guess what? He didn't have to come over. It's awesome. The new technology from the wireless jumper cables allows you to help somebody in trouble, even when on the move. They only need to be installed permanently. Are you okay, sir?
If I'm okay? You bet! Since my wireless jumper cables are installed permanently, I was able to get a boost from a complete stranger driving on the highway just below me. It's wonderful! It's the most incredible day of my life!
The wireless jumper cables. It will work for you or your money back. Available at participating Canadian Tire, Rona, Walmart, Zellers, Home Depot, Patrick Morin, BMR, Sears, Amco Corporation, Costco, Canac, Home Hardware.
Woohoo!